roll-up sleeves where bacteria thrives. A maverick in overalls, saving suburban lives. With a grunt and a chuckle, he battles through the grime. A wink and a nod, he says it's all in a day's time. Rolling through your neighborhood with his trusty old rig, he's the unsung warrior dancing his messy jig. The Septic Man. Don't go calling him a hero in your average pickup game. He's out there pumping waste with pride. No time for fortune and fame. With hoses long and work boots on, bet he's seen it all. Got stories that'll make you gag, boy, he's had himself a ball. Septic Man, Septic Man, here's a call of nature's demands. He dives right in where others won't stand. Septic Man, oh, Septic Man. From the break of dawn to setting sun, he's riding his stinky throne. Backyard surprises, dirty prizes in a league of his own. His pump truck's humming, neighbors running, but Septic Man won't fail. He's got a heart of gold and a steel-toed boot. Braves the stench, oh, he's resolute. Yeah, with a hose in hand, he's the king of the muck. Laughing in the face of luck, just another day's buck. Through your septic woes, he wades, never stuck. He's the hero in denim, and he doesn't give a truck. When the job gets tough, he don't shirk or hide. Just splashes on cologne that smells like fresh pesticide. Tales so wild they could fill a book if he could write them down. But he's too busy saving the day in every septic town. Septic Man, Septic Man, rides the waves of the treatment plant, making murky water run clear again. So tip your hat to the man in the tank when your backyard's stinking like a fishy old bank. He's the one you'll thank, the savior of your clan. No cape on his back, just a crack if he can. Septic Man, Septic Man, he's a hero with a dirty tan, chuckling as he pulls another prank.